Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to your xPortal application. Signing into xPortal is super easy, so let's jump into the video. Start off by open your xPortal application on your device. Soon after you launch it open, tap on Import Existing Wallet in order to sign into your existing wallet. Now, choose whether you would like to restore your wallet from iCloud or with secret phrase. Make sure to choose the same option that you backed up with. In my case, I've chosen the secret phrase option to back up my wallet, so let me do the same over here. Tap on restore with secret phrase and enter your secret phrase in the correct order. Go ahead and choose the words from the list or simply type in the words in the correct order. After entering all of the secret phrases in the correct order, tap on confirm at the bottom. Now, you will also need to verify your phone number. Choose your country code and type in your phone number and tap continue. Verify your mobile number by entering the 6 digits code sent to you via SMS, and then you will be able to import your wallet right away. Create a new PIN and confirm it every time you restore your wallet. That is how you can easily sign into xPortal or restore your wallet in no time. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.